The way we create video content is changing faster than ever, and keeping up often feels like a losing battle. If you are a serious creator, you know that great footage isn't enough. You need smart tools to turn long content into viral clips without losing hours of your day. Today, I want to show you exactly how I use Vizard to streamline my workflow and how it stacks up against other popular tools. I'm starting with a fresh project here, but the workflow feels just as smooth whether you're starting from zero or dropping in a 90-minute live stream. The first thing I always hit is the auto-edit function, which is like having a second editor who watches your entire video to find the moments that actually matter. I can tell the system the specific tone I'm looking for, whether it's funny, educational, or dramatic, and it instantly pulls out punchlines and high-energy reactions. In just a few seconds, I get a stack of clips in various lengths that feel native to platforms like TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Now, I know some of you are familiar with tools like Descript, which is fantastic if your main focus is on transcription-first editing. But Descript isn't built for scaling dozens of social clips automatically, which is exactly the gap that Vizard fills for my workflow. Let me show you the timeline where Vizard drops each suggested clip as its own asset, allowing me to trim, resize, or adjust framing with total ease. Everything you can do to a standard video, you can do to these AI-found clips, giving you full control over the final polish. One detail I love is the AI clips folder, where everything is grouped neatly so I don't have to hunt for my latest exports. I can also check metadata like frame rates and aspect ratios, which is super handy when I'm juggling different formats for various platforms. After running auto-edit on a 40-minute interview, I often get back 20 potential clips, including some great surprises I might have missed manually. Customization is another area where this shines, as I can give the AI broad prompts to find emotional bites or get specific about what I want to see on screen. This is where real editing power meets intelligent automation, creating results that are much more targeted than a generic clip finder ever could be. You may have seen other tools that synthesize short video clips from text prompts, which can be fun for experimental visuals. The catch is that those tools usually don't integrate well into a professional workflow, often missing the consistency needed for high-end content. I like to pair Vizard's clip finding with custom-generated visuals, perhaps using an animated intro to spice up a batch of clips before publishing. That hybrid approach keeps my main pipeline inside one tool, allowing me to maintain quality while still moving at high speed. I also use the Caption Editor to refine text and thumbnails, ensuring everything sounds like my brand before it goes live. The whole goal here is to make every clip feel native to the platform while keeping my actual production time to a bare minimum. I can't gloss over the auto-schedule feature, which is a massive time saver for anyone who wants to post consistently without being chained to a calendar app. The content calendar is where the value becomes obvious, as it allows me to manage multiple channels or clients all from one single dashboard. If I need to move a clip from TikTok to Instagram or repost a high-performing video, it's just a few clicks rather than a complete re-exporting nightmare. Some other tools force you to upgrade to expensive plans just for scheduling, but Vizard keeps the core automation accessible as you scale your growth. After the machine does the heavy lifting, I always perform a quick human review pass, checking the first few seconds of each video for maximum impact. Even with great AI, a minute or two of human polish goes a long way toward making your content feel authentic and professional. I also like to bring in static thumbnails and use subtle animations, like a bouncing arrow or a call to action button, to make the video pop in the feed. Vizard keeps those elements connected to your workflow, ensuring you don't lose track of your creative assets between different tools. Exporting is just as simple, letting me download individual clips or batch export everything while preserving the metadata I need for my team. The bottom line is that if you are still editing every short manually, you are likely making your life much harder than it needs to be. Vizard is purpose-built for creators who want to scale, offering everything from viral moment discovery to automated scheduling and calendar management. If you want a deeper walkthrough on how to turn a single long video into a month's worth of content, check out my next video. Seriously, try dropping one of your longer recordings into Vizard and watch how quickly you can get ready to post clips back. It really is the quickest way I know to turn a single simple recording into consistent, measurable channel growth. Alright, that is it for this one, but stick around and I will show you how to tweak captions and thumbnails for an even better click-through rate.